Guys, it's the girl Miss Fluffy, back with another video. Guys. For today's video, I'll be doing I'll be cooking up. I go cook up some saltfish. Okay, I'll be cooking up some saltfish with some onion, tomato, and all the good stuff. So y'all stay tuned. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification so you can be notified every time I upload a new video, guys. Stay tuned. Also, guys, don't forget to follow me on my social medias, Instagram and Snapchat. The information will be at the end of the video or in my description, one of them, but most likely at the end of the video. So watch the video all the way through so you can go find me on my social medias. Guys, I'm just doing some braids. Braids. I'm gonna keep this in about a couple weeks or a month or so. Yeah, let's get into it, baby. All right, guys, so this is gonna be a quick, easy recipe how to cook on some saltfish the right way. So I got me some saltfish right there. So make sure you get the thick, good up, meaty part of the saltfish, okay? You don't want the bony one, and it was cheap, $3.91. So I'm gonna mix it in with some with some bell pepper, some onion, and some tomato, and I'm just gonna add in black pepper and little bits of ketchup, and that's pretty much it. So over here, let me turn on my light. I got some water, and I'm gonna use half of this saltfish. I'm not really making too much. So I'm gonna boil this about 2 times. Change the water the first time, boil the saltfish again, and change the water. If you don't know, the saltfish salty. So I'm gonna cut these up as well, and I'll be right back. Boil this real good, and then we're gonna take off the scale on that. I'm just boil this and save this for later. I don't think I'm gonna use this part. I'm gonna save it for something else. So bring that to a boil. Right now my stove is on high. I'm gonna boil this thing out. And you can soak this overnight if you want to. But I never soak it overnight, so I'm gonna just boil it right now. Okay, baby. Baby girl, yes. Alright guys, I'll be right back. Alright guys, while the thing I boil up, while the saltfish boiling, I'm gonna just start cutting up my onion and my tomato and all the good up stuff then. If you have Scotch bonnet pepper, you could definitely add this in the pot. Like this dish could go in so many different routes. But I'm just doing the basic of the basic. Cause you can add in beans in this. You can add the Jamaican way and add ackee. You can add all types of stuff in. All type of stuff for your saltfish. You can even put this in your rice. Options are endless, baby. But this for today, what I'm craving, just plain old saltfish cooked down, and I'm gonna eat it with some dumpling. That's what I'm in the mood for. So let me just make a quick video for you guys since I'm already making this. So I might as well make a video. Cook this down. All these veggies, this is gonna be the body for the dish. So obviously saltfish is not in the body to it. So this is gonna be the body. And if you have cabbage, you could definitely put some cabbage in there. But Jano, when I say simple, I mean simple. I'm gonna cut this up. The slices doesn't have to be perfect. This good. Guys, y'all can't tell me all of them vegetables gonna look ton up. So the saltfish over here is still a boil. Look upon that. There it is. See there? There's a saltfish. You see all that salt coming up? Make sure you bring it to a boil and then change the water. Bring it to a boil. And taste it first. If you feel like it still if it's still salty, boil it one more time, baby. I'll be right back, guys. All right, guys. So I'm about to add my veggies so I can get this thing. Hold on. All right, here's it all. Here's a bad boy. Let me get in the light with this. Beautiful. So I'm gonna just throw everything in the pot. Woo! Oh man. All right, guys. So I'm gonna just cook this down. Right now my temp is on medium. See all this goodness? Woo! Good, good, good. So I'm gonna just add just a little bit of Creole seasoning just to season up my veggies. Not saying I need all this, just a little bit, because the saltfish is gonna have its own little flavor. I'm gonna go with some black pepper, just a little bit, because I'm also gonna add more black pepper when I put in my saltfish. All right, let's take a look. Take a look inside. There you go, baby. Bubble, bubble, bubble. I swear I need better lighting. See, this lighting is awesome. See all this veggies? Ray! Yo, this tunnel. I gotta put this back on the stove, but this how it looks, guys. Beautiful. Bring it back to the darkness. Alright, so I'm gonna cover this up and let it cook down, and then I'm gonna break apart the saltfish and I'm gonna add it in here, and it's pretty much done. I'm dumping a boil over there so to my same water on the saltfish. So yeah, about 2 minutes or so, saute this down, and then I'm gonna add my saltfish. Yeah. Close, close. It won't stop recording. Oh my god. Alright, let me. So I just took out my saltfish. Nice and hot. This how it looks. So I'm gonna just take off the scale on the back. You don't want that part. Whew. Y'all make sure y'all careful, because this thing hot, it will burn you up. Ooh. Let me know in the comment y'all favorite saltfish dish. I still mind the ackee on saltfish sometimes. The ackee on food, the ackee be too oily. They be putting too much oil in the ackee on saltfish. But besides that, love it, love it, love it, love it. Oh, let me rinse this out. So you're just gonna break it apart and look, feel and look for bone. You don't want no bone. You don't want choke. But this part, the part that I use, usually does not have any little bones in it. But it doesn't hurt to look. Y'all, this saltfish, look red. Look what I found. Piece of bone. So I'm gonna throw this away. All right. Whew. Alright guys, so this is it. So I'm gonna just add this in my veggies when it finished sauteed down. Put more black pepper, put a little bit of ketchup, and then we're done. Then I done. Yeah. Alright guys, so the veggies sauteed down just a little bit. So I'm gonna go with my saltfish. I'm gonna go with the saltfish. Woo! Sprinkle that goodness over that. Yo! Y'all know this thing look good. Y'all don't know. Y'all already know. Yes. So I'm gonna cut this down to low. I want this cook up in there. Whoa. If Jah is standing by my side, How can I be afraid? Alright guys, so I'm just add some black pepper. Spice it up. Alright. Mix this around. Oh, let me get some ketchup and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm just add a little bit of ketchup. Little bit of ketchup guys, just a little bit. Because y'all already know ketchup in everything. Put ketchup in everything. Alright guys, so I'm going to let this cook down for 2 minutes. And then it's done. Done. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. For more awesomeness. Y'all can't tell me this thing will look turned up. Because my belly can't wait. Alright guys, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Follow me on my social medias. And subscribe to my channel. Yes, baby. Bye.